Alright guys, today we're going to be board smashing this Roomba. And you can see our old video here. We have our little MacBook, and today we're going to be doing this guy. 'Cause I hate Roombas when they don't work. So it's time we get rid of this. This thing might be a little hard to destroy. Okay, here, let's get it dirty. It's battery. Let's wreck it. The battery back in. Let's get that battery back in. Battery. Get the battery back in. Shut up! Out. Battery keeps falling out. Oh God, it still works? No, nothing in this place is gonna be working because I hate the office. Bugs on me now? Or F the bugs! Let's go through this. Let's go eat. Oh, it's Good Morning America. Now let's go back. Let's go back to our private. Back in our private area. I'm smashing more. You? Bigger rocks. Can I pick up something in here? I'm gonna have to rip this thing off. Oh my god. Alright, here we are. We're in the inside now. Here's the inside. Where's the big rock? Where's the big rock at? Oh, here's the big rock. Big rock. Get in a battery. Power my roomba. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. What did Roomba build these things out of? Bricks? What the heck is that? Right, no more Roombas. No more Roombas. Let's remove the drive shaft. I'm a drive shaft. A drive shaft. We don't want this thing working anymore. Look how dirty this is. Like force and pressure to put this in. Get in. What the? You guys see that? It's still working? No, it ain't no more. Because there's a stick around. It's a freaking sticking ram. Hands are all dirty from this goblin mess. This thing is like so hard to destroy. Let's try removing the drive shaft. Yeah. Gotta give me the drive shaft. No more Roombas. I hate Roombas. Here we have this. My drive shaft. Next time, clean my place better. Clean it better next time. Clean it better. I could say this thing probably doesn't work anymore. Hip. I am done with these Bad machines. Bad machines. The smoothest tree. Bad trees. Done with the office too. Done with the office.